सुप्रभात बच्चों, नमस्कार. Good morning children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and good. So children, today we are going to see the lesson number 5. Jahan चाह वहाँ राह. Okay. So before going to start this lesson, children, have you all completed your classwork notebook of lesson number 4? Do the reading practice of the next two questions which one I had took in last online session. So the two question and answers again I am going to conduct the oral test and dictation words also I am going to conduct in the online session. Okay, so do the practice on that. Now we are going to see the lesson number 5, that is Jahan Chaah Wahan Raah, which means where there is a will there is a way. Good. So this is the story about one woman. Her name is Ila. Okay. So this is a real story and this is a inspirational story. So everyone, when we are reading this story, definitely we will get inspired with her. We will get the inspiration also. So come, we'll see the lesson, what are the hard words we are having in this lesson, and the next we will see the lesson. तो चलिए बच्चों, अब हम लोग देखते हैं इस पाठ को. ये जो पाठ है जहाँ चाह वहाँ राह, ये एक युवती की है, उसका नाम है इला. उसमें पढ़ने की क्षमता नहीं थी, वो पढ़ाई करती थी, क्लास में अच्छे मार्क आते थे, मगर वो लिख नहीं पाती थी बिकॉज शी इज़ अ हैंडीकैप्ड. ओके, तो फिर भी उसके जीवन में कैसे आगे बढ़ा और उन्होंने आगे बढ़ने के लिए क्या क्या किया, सो वो सब इस पाठ में है. तो ये जो पाठ है हम लोगों की प्रेरणा है. ओके चिल्ड्रन, तो चलिए हम लोग देखते हैं पाठ जहाँ चाह वहाँ राह. उससे पहले शब्दार्थ देखेंगे, फिर उसके बाद पाठ को. तो चलिए देखते हैं पाठ 5, जहाँ चाह वहाँ राह. शब्दार्थ, फर्स्ट शब्द जो है वो है कसूती. कसूती यानी कर्नाटक की एक तरह की कढ़ाई. सो दिस लेसन इज अबाउट एम्ब्रॉयडरी वर्क्स ऑल्सो. So here Kasuti means in Karnataka place there is a famous embroidery work is there, that one, that name is Kasuti. Okay, so Karnataka की एक तरह की कढ़ाई. So one type of the famous embroidery work in Karnataka, that one Kasuti. Second one is Bharwa. Bharwa means भरा हुआ, which means filled up, completely filled up. So that one we are calling in Hindi भरवा or otherwise भरा हुआ. Next, third one is अनूठी. अनूठी means अनोखी, which means unique. Unique designs, unique colors, like that we are saying, no? So अनूठी means unique, अनोखी. Next, fourth one is मिसाल. मिसाल means उदाहरण. So we can take the example. So मिसाल means example. For example, like that, मिसाल के तौर पर, like that we are saying. Okay. So मिसाल means example. Fourth one is ठीकरे. ठीकरे means टुकड़े, which means that if we are taking the clay pot when it was broken at the time, the pieces will be there, no? That one only we are calling ठीकरे, टुकड़े, which means pieces. Next, fifth one is पेंगे. पेंगे means झूला, झूलना, which means swinging. Swinging in Hindi, पेंगे also we can call. Sixth one is सांझ. सांझ सवेरे, which means सांझ means evening, सवेरे means morning. So सांझ, शाम, evening. Seventh one is निबोरी. निबोरी means नीम के फल. So if we are observing in the summer season, on neem tree we will get fruits, neem fruits. Okay, so that one nibore also we can call. Here nibore means neem ke फल. Next, dang. Dang means हैरान, which means stun. Suddenly I am coming. Children, you get up and suddenly if I am coming in today I am going to conduct the test. So how you feel? Suddenly. Ma'am, like that you are shouting, no? So that one is sudden. That one is in Hindi, dung or otherwise हैरान. 10th one is, no sorry, 9th one is buharana. Buharana means झाड़ू लगाना, which means brooming. Brooming in Hindi, buharna we are calling. Okay. Next, 10th one is कशिदाकारी. कशिदाकारी means उभर कर की गई कढ़ाई, which means completely it was filling completely heavy work we are calling, no, embroidery work if we are seeing on the sarees or the dresses. So that completely it is filled with the embroidery work. That one we are calling kashidakari. Next, 11th one is kudrat. Kudrat means prakriti, which means nature. 12th one is paridhan. Paridhan means vastra. So that cloth, like as a shawl will be there, no? So that one we are calling paridhan, vastra, cloth. Next one is kantha. Kantha means बंगाल की एक तरह की कढ़ाई. So in West Bengal if we are taking na, so there also so many embroidery works will be there. So in that one type of embroidery work name is kantha. Okay, first one is kasuti. Kasuti in Karnataka. Kantha from Bengal. Next, 14th one is Janzir. Janzir कढ़ाई का एक प्रकार. This one is also one type of embroidery, which means that a chain embroidery, like that we are saying, if we are observing the embroidery works, boys, I think you are not having idea. Girls, those who knows about embroidery, so in that if we are observing leaves and the next the stems will be there, no? So their chain work will be there. That one we are calling zanjeer. These are the meanings we'll get in this lesson. Okay, everyone repeat with me. सब लोग मेरे साथ दोहराइए बच्चों. कसूती कर्नाटक की एक तरह की कढ़ाई, which means embroidery work. कसूती कर्नाटक की एक तरह की कढ़ाई. भरवा भरा हुआ, filled up. भरवा भरा हुआ. अनूठी अनोखी, यूनिक. अनूठी अनोखी. मिसाल उदाहरण. मिसाल उदाहरण. ठीकरे टुकड़े. ठीकरे टुकड़े. पेंगे झूला झूलना. पेंगे झूला झूलना. सांझ शाम. सांझ शाम. निबोरी नीम का फल. निबोरी नीम का फल. दंग हैरान. दंग हैरान. बुहारना झाड़ू लगाना. बुहारना झाड़ू लगाना, ब्रूमिंग. कशिदाकारी उभर कर की गई कढ़ाई. कशिदाकारी उभर कर की गई कढ़ाई. कुदरत प्रकृति. कुदरत प्रकृति. परिधान वस्त्र. परिधान वस्त्र. कांधा बंगाल की एक तरह की कढ़ाई. अगेन कांथा बंगाल की एक तरह की कढ़ाई. जंजीर कढ़ाई का एक प्रकार. जंजीर कढ़ाई का एक प्रकार. Okay children, now come we'll see the lesson. जहाँ चाह वहाँ राह, जहाँ चाह वहाँ राह. Come, we'll see. She's a illa. Okay, she is handicapped girl, so her hands will not work. She is doing the embroidery work with her legs. Okay, so come, we'll see the story. मलमली धोती का बादामी रंग खिल उठा था. So मलमली धोती, so that dhoti is there, no, very soft dhoti. That one is in almond color. Okay, badami rang means almond color. खिल उठा था, so it was looking so bright. किनारों पर कसूती के टाके से पिरोई हुई बेल थी. So on the sides of the dhoti, which means corners will be there, no, so there kasuti work was done. Okay, so like as a border. So how it was there, the kasuti work there, it is having like as a leaves and stem like that. It was that embroidery work was there on that dhoti. पल्लू पर भरवा टांके अपना कमाल दिखा रहे थे. So with the sari pallu is taken na, so whole full of sari pallu, it is having heavy work, which means it is completely that work was that embroidery work was filled on that. Okay, so Kavinila she knows. सुनहरे रूपहले बेल बूटों से जान आ गई थी मलमल में. So there is like light gold color thread. It was that creepers and the next that buds and flowers was everything was did the work on that malmal mein. So on the malmal cloth, one cloth type will be there, which one it is very soft will be there, no, like as a velvet cloth, that one malmal, on that it was did that embroidery work. That one is with the light gold color thread they had used on that. इन बेल बूटों को सजाया था इला साची ने. So who was did all these embroidery works like as almond color dhoti, light on the dhoti, that kasuti work had done on the corners like as a borders, and the next that borders is also like as a creeper model is there, and the next to whole pallu it was completely filled with that embroidery work by using that light gold color thread. With the thread creepers, buds, leaves, everything was did the embroidery. Very soft cloth it was. So these everything was designed by the Ila Sachani. Her name is Ila Sachani. इला की हिम्मत की अनूठी मिसाल है ये कढ़ाई के नमूने. So Ila's courage is this one is the example of the embroidery works. Only these are the examples. Okay, which means she did more embroidery works. So come, we'll see. So she is a Ila. So she is a handicapped. So her hands will not work. Only with the legs she is doing the embroidery works. Okay, so that's why I told this one is a inspirational story. Now come, we'll see the continuation of this lesson. 26 साल की इला गुजरात के सूरत जिले में रहती है. So this 26 old years age girl Ila. Okay, she is a 26 years old. Her name is Ila. She is living in the state of Gujarat. That Surat, in Surat district she is living. Okay. उनका बचपन अमरेली जिले के राजकोट गांव में अपने नाना के यहाँ बीता. So her childhood she was spent in the Amreli district is there. So there Rajkot village is there. So in that village, in her grandfather's house, she was grown up there. Okay, so her childhood she was spent there in her grandfather's house. That was in so Rajkot village, Amreli district. Okay. सांझ होते ही मोहल्ले के बच्चे घरों से बाहर आ जाते. So in that is the village, no? So there, when the evening it became, at the time all the children of the street, those in that street, how many children are there, they all are used to come outside. कुछ मिट्टी में अड़ी तिरछी लकीरें खींचते. So some children, they are drawing some lines on the soil. कुछ कुछ कनेरे के पत्तों से पिटपिटी बजाते. So कनेर पत्ता, which means that do you know that plant of that flower? Wait. That flower pink color will be there. What we can call? Wait, I will tell children. So that one, kenner flower, you know. So that one is in white color and pink color will be there, no? So with that flower, that kaner leaf they are taking and they are making like as a roll, and the next they are started, they will making a noise like as a whistle noise. So that noise, it is coming pit pitty noise. Okay, so some children they are playing with that. कुछ गिट्टे खेलते. So some children they are playing with some children they are playing गिट्टे. कुछ इधर उधर से टूटे फूटे घड़ों के ठीकरे बटोर कर पिट्टू खेलते. So some children they are playing the pittu, which means some small pieces of the stones they are joining, after that they are beating with the ball, no? So that one we are calling in Hindi pittu. Okay, so like that other so many games there in the street, that those are the children they used to play. जब इन खेलों से मन भर जाता तो पेड़ की डालियों पर झूला डालकर ऊंची ऊंची पेंगे लेते और ऊंचे स्वर में एक साथ गाते. सो आफ्टर प्लेइंग ऑल दीज गेम्स, नो, at last they used to go to the tree. Okay, so on the tree there's the branches will be there, no, the tree branches, on that they used to swing. Okay, when they are swinging very nicely, which means very forcefully they are swinging up and down. Okay, upwards and downward direction. When they are swinging, at that time they all will together, they used to sing song like as कच्ची नीम की निम्बोरी सावन जल्दी आयो रे. So they are singing कच्चे नीम की निम्बोरी, which means that neems, raw neems nibori, which means fruits will be there, no, that neem fruits will be there, no, that one. Kache neem ki nimbori savan jaldi aiyo re. So savan means what? That is summer season. So come soon summer season, like that the children used to sing this song. इला गाने में तो उनका साथ देती, पर उनके साथ पेंगे नहीं ले पाती. सो इला, when they are singing with them, she is also sing the song, but she is not at all taking the she is not at all going to take part of of swinging. रस्सी पकड़ने को हाथ बढ़ाती, मगर हाथ तो उठते ही नहीं थे. शी वांट टू स्विंग एट द टाइम, शी वांट टू कैच द ड्रॉप, नो. So but her hands, it will not come that much far. So she is not at all going to take the hands. Okay, so वह चुप चुपा एक किनारे बैठ जाती. So that's why she is going quietly and she is sitting one side of the corner. मन ही मन सोचती. सो शी इज़ थिंकिंग हर सेल्फ ओनली, मैं भी ऐसा कुछ क्यों नहीं कर पाती हूँ. सो वाई कांट आई डू ऑल दीज थिंग्स लाइक अदर चिल्ड्रन, हाउ दे आर प्लेइंग नाइसली, हाउ दे आर कैचिंग द स्विंग एंड दे आर swinging. So why can't I do like that? Like that she is sitting one side of the corner and she started thinking herself. बच्चे भी चाहते कि इला किसी न किसी तरह तो उनके साथ खेल सके. सो रिमेनिंग अदर चिल्ड्रंस ऑल्सो दे आर ऑल्सो डूइंग द विश लाइक इला शी कैन कम एंड पार्टिसिपेट एटलीस्ट इन वन गेम, लाइक दैट चिल्ड्रंस आर ऑल्सो थॉट. कभी कभार वह पकड़म पकड़ाई और विष अमृत के खेल में शामिल हो जाती. समटाइम्स शी यूज टू प्ले लाइक एज हाइड एंड सीक गेम running and catching others, no? So like that games she can sometimes, okay, sometimes she's participating in like these games. साथियों के साथ जमकर दौड़ती, मगर जब धप्पा करने की बारी आती तो फिर निराश हो जाती. So she used to play with the friends that hide and seek in the next that catch and catch game. But when she is going and catching others, she used to say no like dhappa like that. She is touching to others. No, at the time that work she was unable to do. At that time she felt very bad at that time. हाथ हाथ ही नहीं उठेंगे तो धप्पा कैसे देगी. So her hands will come front only she can give the dhappa to others, which means she can touch others and you are out like this she can say, but her hands will not work, then how she can able to say this thing. वे बहुत कोशिश करती पर उसके हाथों ने तो जैसा उसका साथ न देने की ठान रखी हो. शी इज ट्राइंग ए लॉट बट हर हैंड्स ओनली they are not they are only not coming front forward like that her feel. So we will not come like that. The hands are also her hands are also to both like that hands are not worked. इला ने अपने हाथों की इस जिद को एक चुनौती माना. So इला she, yes, why my hands are not working, so I can do other work also like that. Ila she also decided. उसने वह सब अपने पैरों से करना सीखा जो हमें हाथों से करते हैं. At the time when she decided, yes, I am also want to do all these works how the other children are doing. At the time this Ila she started doing she started learning the works to do with her legs, with her foods. दाल भात खाना, दूसरों के बाल बनाना, फर्श बुहाना, कपड़े धोना, तरकारी काटना, यहाँ तक कि तख्ती पर लिखना भी. So she all the things what are normal people they are doing, all these things she had learned with her foods like as a making food, okay. And the next doing the hairstyle, after that brooming, and the next cleaning the clothes, after that cutting the vegetables. At last she learned that thing which one it is very difficulty, okay. That writing also she started learning with her foods only. फूट उसने एक स्कूल में दाखिला लिया. सो एट लास्ट शी टुक द एडमिशन इन वन स्कूल. दाखिला मिलने में भी उसे परेशानी हुई. सो फॉर handicapped children in normal school it is very difficulty to get the admission, but anyhow she got the admission in one school. So many problems she was faced. कहीं तो उसकी सुरक्षा को लेकर चिंता थी. सो समवेयर शी इज गोइंग टू द एडमिशन, आस्किंग द एडमिशन टू स्कूल ना. सो some schools they are unable to provide her safetyness. कहीं उसके काम करने की गति को लेकर. सो समवेयर हाउ she can do the activities, her daily activities like that, somebody are rejected. किसी काम को तो वह इतना फुर्ती से कर जाती कि देखने वाले दंग रह जाते. सो इफ शी वांट टू डू दैट वर्क ना, दैट वन very inspirationally and the next very eagerly she is doing. By seeing her everybody are getting stunned how she completed, otherwise how she did like that. पर किसी किसी काम में थोड़ी बहुत परेशानी तो आती ही थी. बट एनी हाउ for some works definitely she is facing the problems. वह परेशानियों को आगे घुटने टेकने वाली नहीं थी. But what are the problems are coming in front of her, okay. She will not give up, okay. She is doing, but how she has to do that way she is selecting and she is doing. उसने 10वीं कक्षा तक पढ़ाई की. सो शी हैड completed her 10th, okay. she had completed her 10th, but वह 10वीं कक्षा पास नहीं कर पाई. but she was not passed in 10th standard. Why? Because this one is also one main reason. इला को यह मालूम न था कि परीक्षा के लिए उसे अतिरिक्त समय मिल सकता है. So Ila, when she went for board exam at that time, she don't know those who are the handicapped children are there, for them they will get more time to write. That thing she don't know. उसे ऐसे व्यक्ति की सुविधा भी मिल सकती थी जो परीक्षा में उसके लिए लिखने का काम कर सके. So she can ask the help to the from the government also, like as a if one person if they are appointing na, they can come and write the exam. Okay, so these are all the information this Ila she don't know. ये जानकारी इला को समय रहते मिल जाती तो कितना अच्छा रहता. So these are all the information when she is having time at the time, if she getting all this information na, so today she can pass the board exam also. उसे इस बात का दुख है, but she is having that feel as if I knew all this information na, definitely I can pass my 10th, like that her feel is there. पर यहाँ आकर सब कुछ खत्म तो नहीं हो जाता ना, but in her life, not only in her life, so in one situation it comes now, the life it is never get stopped, so we have to go. Okay, so like that only Ila also want to do her work, she want to continue. Okay, so if the studies are stopped means she is searching other way, what I have to get, or otherwise what I will get in my life, so what things I can learn, like that she thought. उसकी माँ और दादी कशीदाकारी करती थी. एक्चुअली हर मदर एंड हर ग्रैंडफादर बोथ आर डूइंग द एम्ब्रॉयडरी वर्क, विच मीन्स completely filling that embroidery, like that work they are doing. वे उन्हें सुई में रेशम पिरोने से लेकर बूटियाँ उकेरते हुए देखती. So they are in the needle, how they are that resham, which means that silk thread, how they are taking out from there to how that bootiya, which means that booty work will be there, no, that small dot work will be there, no. So that one, how they are stitching all the things, every time she used to watch the things. न जाने कब उसने कशीदाकारी करने का ठान लिया. So when she was decided to do that embroidery work, we don't know, but यहाँ भी उसने अपने पैर के अंगूठों का सहारा लिया. Here also she took the help of the toe, foot of the toe help she took, and she learned that work with her foots. दोनों अंगूठों के बीच सुई थामकर कच्चा रेशम पिरोना कोई आसान काम नहीं था. But see, the two toes will be there, no, two legs of two toes, in that between she is keeping the needle in that, when how she is taking that in the needle to that thread, how much difficulty by seeing by using two hands only we were unable to do. But this Ila, she learned with the toes, keep in between the toes she kept the needle, from that needle to she is started taking that silk thread. पर कहते हैं ना, जहाँ चाह वहाँ राह, बट वन सेइंग इज देयर, नो, वन प्रॉवर्ब इज देयर, नो, वेयर देयर इज अ विल देयर इज अ वे. उसके विश्वास और धैर्य ने कुदरत को भी झुटला दिया. सो हर करेज एंड हर कॉन्फिडेंट, सो इन फ्रंट ऑफ हर that कुदरत को भी झुटला दिया, which means that nature also it was loosed, which means she learned. 15-16 साल की होते होते इला काठियावाड़ी कशीदाकारी में माहिर हो चुकी थी. So when she is 15 years or 16 years old, she learned the works, she became very famous of embroidery works, like as a Kathiawadi work, and the next Kashidakari work. So Kathiawadi work means that one is in Maharashtra, it is famous embroidery work. किस वस्त्र पर किस तरह के नमूने बनाए जाएं, कौन से रंगों से नमूना खिल उठेगा और टांके कौन से लगे, ये सब वह समझ गई थी. So she understood if one cloth is taking na, so on that which work if she is doing na, it is looking very brightly, and the design it will, how if the design is doing na, it will come out how it is looking very nicely. So all the tricks she had learned and she had understood, and she started doing the works also. Okay children. एक समय ऐसा भी आया अब उसके द्वारा काढ़े गए परिधानों की प्रदर्शनी लगी. सो वन टाइम, सो दैट मच शी बिकेम वेरी फेमस. वन टाइम इट केम लाइक दैट व्हाट आर द वर्क्स शी हैड डिड, दैट ऑल द क्लोथ्स इट केप्ट फॉर एग्जीबिशन ऑल्सो. इन परिधानों में काठियावाड़ी के साथ साथ लखनऊ और बंगाल की झलक रहा था. सो on the cloth not only having the Kathiawadi, with that Kathiawadi, Lucknow and Bengal's embroidery work is also there. इला ने काठियावाड़ी टांकों के साथ साथ और कई टांके भी इस्तेमाल किए थे. सो इला नॉट ओनली यूज दैट काठियावाड़ी एम्ब्रॉयडरी वर्क along with the so many types of embroidery works, so many types of embroidery she had used in that. पत्तियों को चिकनकारी से सजाया था. सो लीव्स विल बी देना, सो ऑन दैट चिकनकारी इफ यू आर ऑब्जर्विंग द चिकनकारी क्लॉथ ना, सो ऑन दैट with machine embroidery will be there. So that one she was designed. डंडियों को कांथा से उभारा था. सो द स्टेम्स आर देयर ऑन दैट क्लॉथ ना, सो शी यूज द कांथा वर्क. पशु पक्षियों की ज्यामितीय आकृतियों को कसूती और जंजीरे से उठा रखा था. इफ द बर्ड्स और अदरवाइज इफ शी वांट टू डू द birds or otherwise animal pictures now, so there she is using like as a geometry boxes of the kasuti. And the next that chain work she used to do on that. पारंपरिक डिजाइनों में ये नवनीत सभी को बहुत भाई. सो दीज आर द ट्रेडिशनल वर्क्स, बट by seeing her new designs, which means full of mixing and she is doing, no, so everyone liked very much her designs. इला के पाँव अब रुकते नहीं हैं. सो नाउ इला शी बिकेम वेरी फेमस. आंखों में चमक, होठों पर मुस्कान और अनूठा विश्वास लिए वह सुनहरी रूपाली बुटियाँ उकेरते थकती नहीं है. सो आंखों में चमक, विच मीन्स इन हर आईज brightness is there, and always she is doing the smile, and the next she is having her confident levels. All this by seeing this golden color thread she is doing the embroidery. She never get tired. So up to this much we had learned, children. In the next session we'll see more about Ila. Okay children, so read once and do the practice of this lesson. Learn the hard words meanings. If you are not understanding, please ask in the comment box. Okay children, we'll meet in the next session. Thank you all of you. धन्यवाद बच्चों. हम लोग मिलते हैं अगली सेशन में.